Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel A&L Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare Paneer Tikka. I think everyone know about it and everyone like it.
So actually it's very delicious food and it's very tasty. So let's see how she is going to prepare. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video,
Like it, comment it,
and don't forget to share your friends and family members. And please subscribe our channel to get our new recipe notification. Don't forget to click bell icon.